Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that many of you have been asking about: how to crush the stock market and achieve success in your investments. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you navigate the stock market effectively. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into strategies, let's get a quick grasp of the stock market fundamentals. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value fluctuates based on market conditions and company performance. Research and analysis. To excel in the stock market, research is key. Analyze a company's financials, management, industry trends, and potential for growth. Use resources like annual reports, financial news, and reputable stock analysis websites. Diversification. Diversifying your portfolio is crucial to managing risk. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries, reducing the impact of a single company's poor performance. Long-term perspective. Successful investors often think long-term. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Historically, the stock market has shown growth over extended periods. Managing emotions. Emotional decisions can lead to losses. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive choices based on market fluctuations. Risk management. Understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. High-risk investments can yield high returns, but they also come with potential for significant losses. Bonus point: staying informed. And here's a bonus tip for you: stay informed about market trends, global events, and regulatory changes. Knowledge is power in the stock market. In conclusion, the stock market can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth. Remember, success comes with careful research, diversification, a long-term perspective, and emotional discipline. By understanding these strategies and staying informed, you can crush the stock market and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy investing!